If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and friends to the face, I hear the voice, they don't know see a kogency. On the kogency Rocks channel. And today, we have OFB, Dezzie, and Bandokay with Impress up on GRM Daily. The last OFB we did was the Bandokay with the sample. I think it's G-Lock. Pastor G-Lock when we're sliding 10. Pastor G-Lock when we're riding 10. You understand? And then we had the double L's before that. You understand? So yeah, the OFBs, they've been going mad, bro. They've been flowing, been picking good beats, amazing videos. You understand? So I just want to jump into this and see what on. You understand? I don't want to waste no time. So hit that like button, hit the dislike button, jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments. And yo, don't say nothing about my drip, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got a spa day after this. See, that was yeah, joke. I just wanted to wear some random shit. But yo, let's go, man. One Records, OFB, 7N. Boop, boop, boop. You know. Aye.
Yo, to the right, to the left. Arch your bunda, I'm impressed. You know, fuck I did, I lost interest. Real street nigga still got invest. Yo, to the right, to the left. Arch your bunda, I'm impressed. You know, fuck I did, I lost interest. Real street.
Wait, what under that? The sweet ones I'm out there like that, fam. Do I need to take off my shades? No, bro. I told you we need to stop focusing on the sweet ones like that, bro. Because the sweet ones don't focus on us like that, man. Fuck the sweet ones.
Bunda, I'm impressed. You know, fuck I did, I lost interest. Real street nigga still got invest. Yo, to the right, to the left. Arch your bunda, I'm impressed. You know, fuck I did, I lost interest. Real street nigga still got invest.
Yo, put bands on his head, yeah, dead man. I seen from fire with them, man. See where one drive, he's loving a glide, but bug one hop on a ped, fam. Yo, and if you get bun like Joe, they just please don't run to the Fed, man. She can't ride all night when I slide inside to that reminder of her ex, man. Yo,
bro, if we've been anybody who's been listening to the OFBs for a while, fam, we know that J name that they said, bro. I'm not gonna say it, but you know, it's kind of mad still. Like, Jano, for real?
Yo, put bands on his head, yeah,
the dead man.
I seen from fire with
dead man.
See where one drive, he's loving a glide, but bug one hop on a ped, man. Yo, and if you get bun like Joe, they just please don't
run to the Fed, man.
She can't ride all night when I slide inside to that reminder of her ex, man.
She'd have a clue that the things we do, pull out some bag, he could boo. They say June bug really gone cuckoo. I can't fully confirm a Lucy screw. You know, just never do come through. Bust that M didn't use you, Jew. African boy, gun up, man. I was breaking down food, shine like food.
Yard man, so I stepped my string vest. Made my first 100, I was impressed.
What's a yard man step with a string vest? The way you call it there? Mesh Marina.
And I was breaking down food, shine like food.
Yard man, so I stepped my string vest. Made my first 100, I was impressed. I tried to do Bitcoin and invest, talking highly, slow down with a slim chest. We turn the roadside flames, bro, smoke team, guns catch bros, interest. Free to smoke, my man at his clothes. It would've been dead, should've been dead.
Yo, back then, Lil Sav was D-Dot. Trip up, hold 12 like he got. D-Talk can't
said Lil Sav was D-Dot.
Should've been dead.
Yo, back then, Lil Sav was D-Dot. Trip up, hold 12 like he got. D-Talk can't rate none of these lot. So more time trying to get about free shot. 4-4-2, that's tactics. Bro, slap tick, made man do backflips. I still wrap them notes of elastics. Even though I didn't pass my mathematics.
Aye, I like that 4-4-2 thing. You know me on the football already, bro.
None of these lot. So more time trying to get about free shot. 4-4-2, that's tactics. Slap tick, made man do backflips. I still wrap them notes of elastics. Even though I didn't pass my mathematics. My brown income way too sexy. Better than Keisha and Becky.
Get love doing up Nicky. My brown skin buzz won't eat me for brekkie.
09 E4 street went safe. SJ with that roadside techie.
This little shotgun come tall like Grace. Half it, real steady.
Yo, to the right, to the left.
Aye, no. I like that part still. Free S though, man.
My brown income way too sexy. Better than Keisha and Becky.
I was just about to talk about that. Better than Keisha and Becky, bro. Like, yeah, man. Them nah end the beef with us no time soon, bro. Try gunling and get shot from the backseat. Not gonna lie, bro. But yo, hold on, fix up, man. Blood clot. Anyway, yeah, let's go.
Man love doing up necky, my brown skin bars won't eat me for brekkie.
09 E4 street went safe. Got SJ with that roadside techie.
This little shotgun come tall like Grace, half it real steady.
Yo, to the right, to the left. Arch your bunda, I'm impressed. You know, fucked I did, I lost interest. Real street nigga still got invest. Yo, to the right, to the left. Arch your bunda, I'm impressed. You know, fucked I did, I lost interest. Real street nigga still got invest.
Yo, so she love gun, man, she a bad one. Come to the O, come grab one. Bro fell in love with his handgun, made the lad run all day when he bang one. Will they rain over there? And over there, I can't wait till I catch one. The G lot leave your brains over there. In the air like a Jordan, yeah, she love bad man.
In the air like a Jordan slam dunk. Aye, man, that's mad, fam.
Run all day when he bang one. Will they rain over there? And over there, I can't wait till I catch one. The G lot leave your brains over there. In the air like a Jordan,
yeah, she love bad man. Why damn lit, now they all nag man. 3 books, yeah, real mad man. If I talk up the things, feds might grab man. She get close, so bro, tan man. Must have thought this ride was a cab man. Blacked out just like Batman, man. GBG, so they can't act man.
Me and D doing like Ferber and Phineas.
Aye.
Don't be ridiculous. More like frog and Brads on a back road. And my Rambo scary, insidious. Fucking hell, these idiots. I got banned for all your affiliates. And I ain't got no time for your silliness. This shotgun tune is hideous.
And I'm back in this 2 litre. Put one through his vest like Blue Peter.
Ooh, sorry, I want to hear that Phineas flow again, dog. I like those Phineas ridiculous flows. Even though a lot of people use it, it's still nice when I hear it, though.
Just like Batman, man. GBG, so they can't act man.
Me and D doing like
Ferber and Phineas.
Now
Don't be ridiculous.
More like frog and Brads on a back road. And my Rambo scary, insidious. Fucking hell, these idiots. I got banned for all your affiliates. And I ain't got no time for your silliness. This shotgun tune is hideous.
And I'm back in this 2 litre. Put one through his vest like Blue Peter. Repo, that's my grim reaper. When it comes to the dogs without no heater. If you say you love me, then you must trust me. Don't have to puff me, best hold this beater. Big bunda, mama Cita. Hello darling, it's nice to meet you.
She loves doing balloons.
Did you just hear his voice?
Hold this beater. Big bunda, mama Cita. Hello darling.
Mama see, hello darling, you heard that snort, bro? I know I'm not bugging.
Then you must trust me, don't have to puff me, best hold this beater. Big bunda, mama Cita. Hello darling.
Hello darling, you heard that? Yeah. Oh man, dog, Dezzie need for man nose too heavy, dog. Get a press on him nose, bro. I swear. The man nose I press on him airways, bro. I swear.
Insidious. Fucking hell, these idiots. I got banned for all your affiliates. I ain't got no time for your silliness. This shotgun tune is hideous.
And I'm back in this 2 litre. Put one through his vest like Blue Peter. Repo, that's my grim reaper. When it comes to the dogs without no heater. If you say you love me, then you must trust me. Don't have to puff me, best hold this beater. Big bunda, mama Cita. Hello darling, it's nice to meet you.
She loves doing balloons, love smart wit. I love when she bend and she arch it.
Yo, forget your boyfriend, just arch it. After I jam, I'll pass it.
Yo, send them to the gulag, to his casket. Come to farm, man, anywhere we'll rust it.
Like the long ones, there's 2 in the cartridge. On the up block, check shots if I blast it. Yo, to the right, to the left. Arch your bunda, I'm impressed. You know, fucked I did, I lost interest. Real street nigga still got invest. Yo, to the right,
to the left.
Arch your bunda, I'm impressed. Fucked I did, I lost interest. Real street nigga still got invest.
Alright, big up abs. So nigga ain't got invest. Hey, got interest. And I'm filling up breasts. One filling up next. The ped I'm filling up next. The wap I'm filling up next. The breast I'm filling up next. Yo, man. Yeah, impressed. I was impressed with this song, bro. Nice song, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I'm impressed to how the sweet one was going mad on the screen. I didn't even pause to look at her, bro. Cause I don't give a fuck. You know why? Cause I don't care about the sweet ones, bro. But yo, let me know what you think about this. OFB, Dezzie, Bandokay with Impress. I like this still. You know what I'm saying? We got some nice flows, some nice bars, and a nice beat. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't nothing too crazy, but it wasn't bad at all. You know what I'm saying? It was a good song. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. Hit that like or dislike button. And yeah, reply to all the comments. Kogency and the Kogency Rocks. Shadow. And I'm out this motherfucker, right? Peace.
Yeah. Cause when the girl them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to